Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2016 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number B8950X. Only 6,000 miles on this 200. Has a clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles. Billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The 200 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. It's in the mid-size car class. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges. Again, only 6,000 miles with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touch screen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard case below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-sized car. EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon and a city average of 36 on the highway. And again, only 6,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8950X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.